Hello and welcome everyone, my name's Mark and I'm back with another tutorial for PrintJourney. Today what I'm going to be covering is how to create presets and preset groups. So for those of you that are new to PrintJourney is an AI automation platform for print on demand, meaning we use AI to help you bulk create products, design products, and upload them to your store. So let's get started creating our first preset. The first thing we're going to want to do is click Create Preset. The first option in a preset is always to choose your print provider. PrintJourney integrates with Printify and allows you to connect each Printify store as its own provider. What we're doing here is telling PrintJourney that whenever we use this preset, we want you to publish the product to this Printify store. So I'll go ahead and click our store, Evergrove. The next option we see is to choose a blueprint. If you're familiar with Printify, you'll know that Printify works based off of blueprints. A blueprint is a product, but a product can have many providers to create and ship that product for you. So I'll go ahead and let us choose a journal, for example. On the next screen, we'll choose a blueprint provider. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the provider that's going to be actually manufacturing and shipping out our product. For this blueprint, the only provider we can select is Spoke, so we'll go ahead and choose them. Next, I'm asked to select a variant. Now each product can have multiple variants or it can only have one variant. For example, this journal only has one variant with the size journal. A different product might have multiple variants, and PrintJourney allows you to select multiple variants. I'll go ahead and choose the journal variant. And I'll continue. Next, we're asked to choose a placeholder. So for the journal, we have front, meaning our image will be printed on the front of the journal. So let's click that, and then we'll continue again. And the last question I'm asked is where this preset should be published. Why is it important to select this if Printify already knows where to publish this product? On the back end of PrintJourney, what we're doing is checking to see whether you have multiple storefronts, as well as applying custom attributes like the product type and the category ID that you select for tax purposes. This isn't provided by Printify and it only comes by integrating your Shopify store with PrintJourney. So I'll go ahead and select our Evergrove Shopify store. On the last page, we'll finalize our preset. PrintJourney will generate a preset name to make your presets identifiable when you're looking at a list of all of them. So for this name, we have Printify, Evergrove, Journal, Blank, Spoke, our print provider, and one variant. The next item is the profit margin. Printify will default to 40%, but you're free to choose whatever profit margin you see fit when you sell your products. I'll choose 65% for this preset. The Shopify category ID is the tax rule that Shopify will apply to your product whenever you make a sale. This is automatically applied through Printify, but you have the option to choose a different category ID when you're using PrintJourney. To see all available category IDs, you can click the link See All Categories. This will take you to a list of all category IDs. For the journal, I'll choose 4233, which is the category ID for stationery items. Next is the product type. The product type can be defined as anything that you'd like it to be. For my store, whenever someone wants to search a journal, I make it pretty easy and I just choose journal. And that's all we'll need to add for our preset to be ready. Next, we'll hit Create Preset, and our preset has been created and is ready for us to start publishing products. Back on the preset's main page, we can either create a preset group or we can select our preset and add it to an existing preset group. I'll go ahead and select the preset we just created. And I already have a group for presets with a portrait orientation. So what I'll do is click Add to Group, and then I'll choose Portrait all over and save. Now anytime I publish a product to my portrait group, a journal will be created and published to my store. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, don't forget to leave them in the comments section. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we can't wait to see what you create on PrintJourney.